Shanghai Baobang Medical Equipment Company Limited, located in Shanghai, China, is a professional manufacturer specialized in the development, production, and export of hyperbaric chambers. The company works under ISO 13485. That represents the requirements for a comprehensive quality management system for the design and manufacture of this product. Presently, the company has succeeded in the production of serial hyperbaric chambers from soft and hard-lying type, soft-sitting type, to veterinary hard-type chambers, which have been widely applied in home care, clinics, wellness centers, beauty salons, spas, sports industries, and high-altitude area, etc. In the past 12 years, Macy-Pan hyperbaric chambers are sold over 115 countries and regions, enjoying a high reputation in international market. We present the strong quality commitment, and we have gone through hard work to be able to offer this health equipment at an accessible price. We are proud to be the top Chinese factory doing this chamber and be able to give an opportunity to people that need HBOT in their lives. The basic business policy of the company has always meant a very high standard, reliable and high-quality service. We welcome not only family buyers, but also sales companies by providing you with tailored OEM products. With confidence and enthusiastic service, we expect our cooperation with products of sound quality and affordable price.